The Architect of Tomorrow. Part 1. The Overwhelmed Creator. Leo was a talented graphic designer, but he felt like he was running a race he couldn't win. Every day, the demands of his clients grew faster than his hands could move. He spent hours on repetitive tasks, removing backgrounds, adjusting lighting, and searching for the perfect font. He loved creating, but he was drowning in the busy work. One rainy Tuesday, Leo sat in a quiet cafe. Across from him, a woman named Sarah was working on a laptop. She was finishing complex illustrations in minutes. Curious, Leo asked, "How are you so fast?" Sarah smiled and replied, "I'm not working harder, Leo. I'm collaborating. I've found a digital partner called AI." Part 2. The First Step. Prompting. Leo was skeptical. "Isn't AI just a shortcut?" he asked. Sarah shook her head. "No, it's a tool, like a brush or a camera. But to use it, you must master the art of the prompt." She showed him how to talk to the machine. She didn't just say, "Make a cat." She said, "Create a hyper-realistic orange tabby cat sitting on a neon-lit street in Tokyo." Cinematic lighting. 8K resolution. Leo watched as the AI generated exactly what she described. The secret to AI, Sarah explained, is clarity and context. You have to be specific about what you want, but you also have to leave room for the machine to surprise you. You start by identifying a pain point, a task that takes too much time, and then you find the specific tool to solve it. Part 3. The Transformation. For the next month, Leo became a student again. He didn't try to learn everything at once. He started with one tool for images, then one for writing, and finally one for organizing his schedule. He realized that AI didn't replace his creativity. It gave him his time back. Instead of spending 5 hours on one image, he spent 30 minutes iterating and refining. He was no longer just a designer. He was an editor, a curator, and a director. By the end of the year, Leo wasn't afraid of the future anymore. He realized that the best way to learn AI isn't to read a manual, but to start a project. The tools would change every week, but the skill of human AI collaboration was the real treasure.